Okay, good evening students. Welcome back again. So, today we are going to discuss a new chapter, that is chapter number 6. That is chapter number 6. So, take out your textbook and page number 50. Right? The name of the chapter is The Browning Version, written by Terence Rattigan. Right? Before we begin with this chapter, I would like to give you a hint about this chapter. That this chapter is related between a teacher and a student. Right? So it would make you very interesting if you listen very carefully and try to understand what the situation is. Right? So let us begin. The Browning Version. This is an excerpt from the Browning Version. The scene is set in a school. The whole picture, right, is set in a school. Frank is young. Frank, the name of the person is Frank, and he is young. And Crocker Harris, middle-aged. And Crocker Harris is one more person, and he is middle-aged. Both are masters. Taplow is a boy of 16. There is one more character, that is Taplow. Is a boy. He is a boy of 16. His age is 16. Your age, right? Who has come in to do extra work. Who has come in, right, into the school to do some extra work for Crocker Harris. But the later has not yet arrived. That means still the particular person who has given the extra work. Who has given the extra work? Crocker Harris has given the extra work to Taplow, right, in the school, to finish it in the school, right? The student has arrived, but the teacher has not yet arrived. That means, but the later has not yet arrived. And Frank finds Taplow waiting. And one more teacher is there, and the name of the teacher is Frank. And Frank finds Taplow waiting, right? So Frank is young. He is a teacher. And Crocker Harris is a middle age, 40-45, right? He is also a teacher. And the third character, right, that the name of the student, that is Taplow, who is 16 years old and has been ordered by his teacher, that is Crocker Harris, to do some extra work. So he came into the school to do some extra work. But what extra work it is, the teacher is yet to inform. So he came back to the school again, but the teacher has not yet arrived. And Frank finds Taplow waiting for Mr. Crocker Harris. Now what happens in the scene? What is the situation? Right? Let's begin. So, before we begin, I'll tell you the summary as always. The Browning Version. This is a play which highlights the attitude of a teenage student, your age, right, towards his teacher. Attitude. તમારો attitude teachers પ્રત્યે કેવો હોય? જેવો teachers નો attitude તમારા પ્રત્યે હોય, right? અત્યારે પહેલા જેવું teaching નથી, right? The relationship between the teacher and the students. પહેલાના teachers ગમે એટલું મારતા હતા, તો students કોઈ issue કે complaints નહોતા આવતા. હવે બધું બદલાઈ ગયું. The time and the situations all have changed, right? I still remember, right? The teacher used to beat me like anything when I was in school, when I was not doing the work properly, right? But now in the same situation, if I do to you, it would create a big blow. It would create a big issue, right? Times have changed, right? So this is what the situation is. Let's come back to the topic again, right? So time has changed. So here in this story, it highlights the attitude of a teenager. Attitude means the behavior of a teenager towards his teacher. Right? Attitude students નું કેવું છે ટીચર પ્રત્યે એ હાઇલાઇટ કરેલું છે આ ચેપ્ટર ની અંદર. Moreover, his remarks are awful because they are close to reality. His remarks, that means the attitude is different and more. The remarks of the students are not that good. Right? Students' attitude ક્યારે હોય? When they have good marks, when they are intelligent, when they are creative, when they score good percentage in the exam in every subjects. Right? At that point of time, if you show certain kind of attitude, right, it's okay, it's acceptable. Right? But if you are not good in the marks, if you are not good in the exams, if you are not good in the subject, I start to? So if you are not good in the subject, right, and then you show the attitude, so that represents your negativity. Students ની creativity and smartness ક્યારે દેખાય? When they are good in scoring marks in every subject, right? And then if you ask the questions, then you have the attitude. Attitude doesn't mean the ego. Attitude means the behavior, right? The way that you talk to your teacher, right? If you are, arrogant enough, the attitude is negative. But if you are positive enough, your attitude is positive, right? It depends upon students to students, right? So here, the attitude of teenager towards his teacher. Moreover, his remarks are awful because they are closely related to the reality. That means the student is not that great or good. He mimics the voice, that is mimicry and mimes, right? The voice of Mr. Crocker Harris. He does the mimicry of Crocker Harris. He is a middle-aged teacher, right? And call the man practically inhuman. So he is a student and he says that there is one teacher named Crocker Harris. He is inhuman. Inhuman means he is not human, right? He is extremely fearful of his teacher. On the other side, he is fearful of his teacher also. Moreover, his promotion depends upon the teacher, right? Class teacher હોય ને એ જ marks entry કરતા હોય, right? તો આખું વર્ષનું જે promotion છે to the next grade or to the next class, right? That depends upon Crocker Harris. He doesn't like Crocker Harris actually, but as he is the main teacher and the promotion lies in his own hands. Moreover, his promotion depends upon the teacher. That means it is in the hands of Crocker Harris. Further, the teenager hates Greek play, right? Further, the teenager does not like the Greek play or the Greek subject because he does not like the teacher's method of teaching, right? He does not like how the teacher teaches in the class, right? In order to make them like him, Mr. Crocker Harris seems to hate the people. That is the attitude of the teacher, right? Gana teacher no attitude hoy ne, right? I'm not talking about the current situation, but maybe there are few weird teachers that I'll say that they think in a different way than the other normal teacher thinks, right? થોડા different હોય બીજા teachers કરે. અને એ જ્યારે ક્લાસમાં ભણાવતા હોય, at that point of time you can feel that thing, that every teacher has its own attitude and way of teaching, right? So here in this chapter, Crocker Harris. Okay, give me 2 minutes. Okay, so let's begin, right? So we were in the second last line. In order to make them like him, Mr. Crocker Harris seems to hate the people, right? In addition, the description of teacher is damaging and it reflects the quality of the teachers, right? જેવો attitude હોય teachers નો student પ્રત્યે, that is what I was saying. The same attitude is of the students towards the teacher, right? In today's era, in today's generations, right? So it is not the fault of the students. It is, yes, anything? Okay. So it is not the fault of the students. It is the responsibility of the teacher to mold the students in a proper way so that they can develop themselves. A teacher should not be partial. A teacher should not be one-sided. He should not favor any other students who belongs in his class, who is his relative or belongs to his caste and anything like that, right? It becomes the duty of the teacher to stand in the center and teach to each and everyone. That is what the real teacher is. When I was a student, my teacher used to teach me like this one. Right? They used to stand on the stage and teach everything on the board. They never went to the particular, on the partiality side, or they never created any kind of bias between boys and girls or between a group of students, right? So that is what a real teacher is. But Crocker Harris in this chapter, coming back to the story, right, is not like that. He seems to hate everyone. That is what his nature is. કેટલાક લોકો પહેલાથી જ નેગેટિવ હોય, એ જે વાઇબ્સ હોય ને આપણને આવી જાય, right? That particular sense that we can feel them, that this person, is more a bit of negative rather than the positive thinking, right? They see on the negative side first rather than on the positive sides, right? That generally disappoints us at the end of the day. So Crocker Harris was a kind of bit of that person, right? He used to hate everyone and he used to think in the same that what is my nature and attitude it should be the same into the minds of the students to whom I am teaching. Even they should hate everyone. Right? This is something extremely wrong a teacher is doing. Right? That is a wrong moral message that goes to the students. Right? Being a teacher, right? It should be always general, never personal. Right? But this is what it is. And the last line, it reflects the quality of the teachers. Right? It reflects the characters of the teacher. Let's move into the chapter very quickly. So it's an particular communication, right? Frank, do I know you? Who is Frank? Frank is a young teacher, Crocker Harris is a middle-aged teacher, and there is one student named Taplow, right? 3 characters, Frank, Crocker Harris, and Taplow. So Frank is there, is asking the question, do I know you? Taplow, no sir. Frank, what's your name? Taplow, Taplow is my name. Frank, Taplow, no I don't. You are not a scientist, I gather. Taplow, no sir, I am still in the lower 5th. Still in the lower 5th, right? 5th standard student. I can't specialize until next term. That's to say, if I have got my remove, alright. Frank, don't you know if you have got your remove? Taplow, no sir, Mr. Crocker Harris doesn't tell us the results like the other masters, right? That is, see, when Taplow is saying, no sir, I am still in the lower 5th. I can't specialize until the next term, right? That's to say, if I have got my remove, alright, that is if I have got my marks, alright, right? That is what he is trying to say. Remove means a kind of division in the school, or a kind of a grade or a promotion where a student is being promoted to the next class. That is what remove means, a kind of a division in the school, right? So Frank again talks. Don't you know if you have got your remove? That means don't you know what division you are going on to the next year, right? Whether you are still not clear with your results. So Taplow says, no sir, Mr. Crocker Harris, the class teacher in charge, that is Crocker Harris, does not tell us the results like the other masters or the other teachers. He keeps the results very secret, right? Next, Frank, why not? Taplow, well, you know what he is like, sir. So તમને ખબર જ છે કે Crocker Harris કેવા. Frank, I believe there is a rule that form results should only be announced by the headmaster on the last day of the term. So Frank says that if I am not wrong and if I remember correctly, that results should be announced by the headmaster. Headmaster means the class teacher on the last day of the term, that is on the last day of the particular school where the term gets over. Taplow, yes, but who else pays attention to it except Mr. Crocker Harris? Students does not give any importance to Crocker Harris. That is what Taplow says to Frank, right? Yes, yes sir, you are correct. But who pays the attention to it? Class માં જેટલા છે Crocker Harris ના students, કોઈ ધ્યાન દેતું નથી. Frank, I don't admit, but that's not criterion. So you have got to wait until tomorrow to know your fate. Have you? Taplow, yes sir. Frank, supposing the answer is favorable, what then? So Frank says, suppose if you are promoted to the next grade, what then? Taplow, oh, science of course. Right? So Taplow has decided in his mind that if I'll be promoted in the next division or in the next grade or in the next class, division, grade and a class, all represents one thing, right? So Frank is asking, suppose if the answer is favorable, that means if you are clear or if you are going to the next division, right? What then? That means what will you do? Which specialization subject that you are going to take? So Taplow says, oh, science, of course sir. Frank, sadly yes, we all are slackers, right? Frank was a science teacher, right? So he says, oh, again you are coming back to the science. Yes, we all are slackers, right? Slackers means unmotivated. Slackers means unmotivated, right? We all are unmotivated. Taplow, protestingly, I'm extremely interested in science, sir. Right? Why Frank said all these things? Because those students who have no idea what science is, they blindly keep science because some of their friends keep science, so they just keep science. They just follow the particular flow, right? So Frank says we all are slackers. That means we all are not motivated because many students comes to the science field without having any basic knowledge of what science is. So Taplow protestingly says that I am extremely interested in science. હું કંઈ એમને સાયન્સ રાખતો નથી કે કોઈ મારો ફ્રેન્ડ કે કોઈ મારો ક્લાસમેટ સાયન્સમાં જાય છે, that is why I am not coming to the science field. I am extremely interested in this subject. Frank, are you? I am not. Not at least in the science. I have to teach, right? So here Frank says, are you interested really? I am not. So Frank says, but I am not interested. Not at least in the science as I have to teach, because this is the same thing that I have been teaching, right? Moving ahead. Tableau. Well, anyway, sir, it's a good deal, more exciting than this muck, indicating his book, right? Muck. Muck means useless. Muck means useless. Well, anyway, sir, it's a good deal, more exciting than this useless, indicating his book. What is his book? જે હાથમાં બુક આપેલી ને એક્સ્ટ્રા વર્ક કરવા માટે કોણે આપેલી? Crocker Harrison. So it is quite far more exciting than having this book, useless book, in my hands, right? Once I'll be promoted to the next division, I'll leave this book and I'll forget Crocker Harris, right? That is what he's indirectly trying to say to Frank, that it is a good deal more exciting than this particular muck, that is the useless book. Frank, what is this muck? Tableau. Aeschylus, sir, the Agamemnon. Frank, and your considered view is that Agamemnon is muck. Agamemnon is a kind of a particular language. If I am not wrong, if there is any kind of special meaning has been given, just wait. Okay, just keep this word with you right now. I'll find the perfect meaning for you in the next session, that is tomorrow. Right? Tomorrow still we have one more lecture. Right? So I'll give you the meaning of this perfect word. I actually don't know what it is. I have already written all the meanings, but I do not have the particular perfect meaning of this word. So what we'll do is, just give me one day and I'll tell you all the meanings of this particular words. Right? So right now we'll go with the particular chapter. Frank, and your considered view is that Agamemnon is muck. Tableau. Well, no sir, I don't think the play is muck. Exactly. I suppose in a way it is rather a good plot. Really, a wife murdering her husband and all that. I only mean the way it is taught to us. Just a lot of Greek words. So this might be some Greek words, I suppose, right? Because it is clearly mentioned over here also. See, right? Where it is. See, moreover, his promotion depends upon his teacher, and further the teenager hates Greek play because he does not like the teacher's method of teaching. So these words might be the Greek words, because it is clearly, I'll find it out still tomorrow what actually the perfect meaning is. But in the next, when Tableau communicates to Frank, right, that well no sir, I don't think the play is muck, that is, I don't think that the play is useless. Exactly. I suppose in a way it is rather a good plot. Plot means it is a good plan. Really, a wife murdering her husband and all that, right? All that kind of things and all that kind of suspense plays which are being played in the Greek languages or in the stories, right? I only meant the way it is taught to us. Just a lot of Greek words, that is just a lot of Greek words and stories which are not really, useful to us at this level. Strung together in 50 lines if you get them wrong, right? And 50 lines strung together, right? एक तो subject गमतो नहोतो Tableau ने, it was in the Greek words, right, or the Greek stories or languages that they were being taught by Mr. Crocker Harris. And Crocker Harris used to hate people, and he thought that if I hate people, everyone should be the same. So when he used to express his teaching, right, the examples that he used to give, that is what a wife murdering her husband and all that, that kind of examples he used to share in the class, that represents certain kind of negativity, right? So that is why he clearly say, I only mean the way that is taught to us. I am not concerned with the language, but the way that the Greek subject or the particular chapter or any kind of story that has been taught to us in a negative way, by sharing the example that a wife is murdering her husband. That kind of examples, if a teacher is going to share in the class, right, obviously it is going to bring some negativity, because we know that the nature of Crocker Harris was he used to hate everyone. So he clearly mentions, I only mean that the way it is taught to us, just a lot of Greek words strung together, right, everything putting all together, all the Greek words, sharing the examples which represent negativity. And if on the next day or maybe on the particular same session, if any question is being asked and the student is not being able to answer, 50 lines, that is 50 lines or 50 times you have to write it down if you get them wrong. If you get them wrong. That is what Tableau says, right? This is a wrong way of teaching. He feels extremely like that, right? Suppose હું મારી જ વાત કરું, હું ભણાવું છું, તમને કોઈ ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછું છું, તમને નથી આવડતું, ડાયરેક્ટ તમને એમ કહું write it 5 times or 10 times. I don't even give you the second chance, right? So this is something extremely harsh for the first time. You don't know me, I don't know you. We are making a bonding between each other, right? અને હું પહેલાથી જ એકદમ સ્ટ્રિક્ટ અને નેગેટિવ એટીટ્યુડ બતાવું, ક્લાસમાંથી બહાર કાઢી દો, I'll punish you, I'll make you write 5-10 times, I'll call your parents twice in a week that your son and daughter is not behaving in the class properly, right? Add all the mirch masalas and all that things and we'll call to your parents and say everything. You don't like it, right? Your attitude towards me will be always be negative. As soon as I'll enter in the class, તમે એમ જ કહેશો આ ક્યાં આવ્યો. This would be the language that you will be using, and it starts to grow even more on the negative sides as the day passes. This is the reality, that is what I am talking, right? The same situation was with the Tableau, as he was not able to understand the Greek language, he didn't like the language and the example that the teacher was sharing, right? As a words લખેલા છે, that might be some Greek words. I'll find out the meaning tomorrow, right? But as the conversation is going on between Tableau and Frank, right? So we can understand that the way that the teacher was sharing the examples, that represents negativity, that represents hatredness, right? And if you get them wrong, you are being punished. Frank, you sound a little bitter. ખાટું, right? કહેવાય ને, if you don't like, આપણે કે ખાટું કે એટલે આપણા મોઢાનો ફેસ કેવો ભરી જાય. So here Frank says, you sound a little bitter, right? Tableau, I'm rather sir. Frank, Captain, Tableau, no sir, extra work. Frank, extra work on the last day of the school, right? So here, see, the conversation that is going on in the last 3 to 4 lines, try to understand. આવું બધું સાંભળી લીધું ને જ્યારે ફ્રેન્કે આ બધી વસ્તુ પર્ટિક્યુલર ટેપ્લો આ બધી વસ્તુ ફ્રેન્કને કહી દીધી, રાઈટ? એટલે ફ્રેન્ક એઝ અ ટીચર, રાઈટ? The teacher is always going to take the fear of a teacher, right? Even though he knows what the teacher is, because he cannot take the side of the students, or it will make even more, a division or more separation between teacher and students, right? Officially, he cannot say anything bad about the teacher, right? So here, particular Frank says, you sound a little bitter. That means you might have experienced certain things which have not favored you. That is why whatever you say is a bitter sound, right? Tableau, I am rather sir. Tableau agrees, right? I might be bitter, but I am saying the truth. Frank, Captain, that's it, right? Tableau, no sir, extra work, right? That is what Tableau says. I'm not saying it just for the sake of saying. I'll prove it to you. This is the extra work that Mr. Crocker Harris has given to me. Frank, extra work on the last day of the school. Now the Frank is again, being alarmed or being surprised. Extra work on the last day of the school. Which teacher gives extra work on the last day of the school? I guess none in this world. If it is your last day and on the next day your vacation starts, right? Can anyone or any teacher in this world can give extra work to the students? I guess not, right? So here Frank says, sir, extra work, this is the proof, right? And that is why I am here. So here, extra work on the last day of the school, a Tableau. Now what does Tableau reply? Yes sir, and I might have been playing golf. If this extra work wasn't given to me, I would have been playing golf. You would think he have enough to do anyway himself, considering he is leaving tomorrow for good. But oh no, I missed a day last week when I was in. So here I am, and look at the weather, sir. I was absent for just 1 day. That is on the last day of the week, that is as I was ill, right? And I was absent, so that extra work has been given to me and told to me that I have to submit on the last day of the particular term, right? Look at the weather is so beautiful, it's so awesome, right? Jo absent na rehyo hot ne, right? So I would have been playing golf, but I was ill, I was not present in the school, so I was being given extra work and was being told by Crocker Harris to show me the extra work on the last day of the particular school. And look at the weather, so the weather is so beautiful and I am in the school. right? It's a very harsh punishment when a teacher gives it to the students. Frank, bad luck. Still, there is one comfort. You are pretty well certain to get your remove tomorrow for being a good boy in taking extra work, right? So here, when Frank hears all this thing, he says, okay, that's bad luck, right? That is your bad luck. Still, there is one comfort. That means still there is one positivity. What kind of positivity? That you are pretty well certain to get your remove tomorrow. That means you are going to get get good grades, or you are going to get to the next division tomorrow for being a good boy, right? For being a good boy. Kyo chokro was the last day. Honestly, સામેથી આવીને ટીચરને હોમવર્ક બતાવશે. સર હું એક દિવસ એબસન્ટ હતો ને, તો તમે મને જે એક્સ્ટ્રા હોમવર્ક આપ્યું હતું ને, અને એમ કીધું છે લાસ્ટ ડેના દેખાડવા આવજો. Last day of the school. And he comes by himself. No student will do this, right? Tap loaded. So the teacher says that there is one comfort. Your image will be of a good boy, right? In taking the extra work and completing it and coming to the school and trying to show to Mr. Crocker Harris. So that is some positivity about you. Crocker Harris is still not arrived. Crocker Harris is still not arrived, right? Taplow. Well, I'm not sure, sir, that would be true of the ordinary masters. All right, sir. તમે કહો છો તો હું માની લઉં છું, પણ ક્રોકર હેરિસના પર્ટિક્યુલર કેસની અંદર આઈ એમ નોટ એટ ઓલ શ્યોર. હું એકવાર ને કદાચ 100 વાર હોમવર્ક કરીને આવીશ ને તો મને ફેલ કરવો છે તો એ ફેલ જ કરશે. That depends on him totally. He does not see all these things. It might be true. That would be true of the ordinary masters. એટલે કે બીજા ટીચર્સ હોય ને એ કદાચ આવું વિચારીને પાસ કરી દે, બીજા ડિવિઝનમાં ફોરવર્ડ કરી નાખે. But Crocker Harris is not like that, right? They just wouldn't dare not to give a chap a remove after his taking of extra work. He would do the same thing as he feels it, right? He would not even give me an extra chapter or an extra mark or anything. Whatever he feels is going to give me the result. But those sort of rules don't apply to Crocker. That is to Mr. Crocker Harris. Those sort of rule does not apply to Crocker Harris. એમને કોઈ આવા નિયમ કે કોઈ લાગણી કે કોઈ આવી વસ્તુ એમને લાગતી વળગતી નથી. I asked him yesterday outright if he would have given me and remove, and do you think what he had said, sir? So Frank, no, what? એટલે ગઈકાલે ટેપ્લો એવું કીધું that I asked him yesterday. એટલે ટેપ્લોએ ક્રોકર હેરિસને yesterday પૂછેલું outright if he would have given me a remove. That means if he would have promoted me to the next grade. And do you know what he said, sir? જ્યારે મેં સર આવું ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછ્યો ને ક્રોકર હેરિસને, ટેપ્લો is saying to Mr. Frank that if I ask the question that whether I am being promoted to the next division, yes or no, do you know what he said, sir? Frank, no, what? Tableau. Imitating a very gentle, rather throaty voice. My dear Tableau, I have given you exactly what you deserve. I have given you exactly what you deserve. No less and certainly no more. ઓછા તો નથી કર્યા, પણ ગેરંટી વધારે એકેય માર્ક્સ આપ્યો નથી. સારા ટીચર હોય ને, રાઈટ, પ્રેઝન્ટેશન સારું હોય, થોડું ઘણું સાચું લખ્યું હોય તો હાફ માર્ક્સ 0.75 or maybe 1.5 એવા કરીને એક્સ્ટ્રા માર્ક્સ આપે. Crocker Harris is not like that. He said that I have given exactly what you deserve, right? Not less, but definitely not more. Do you know, sir, I think he may have marked me down rather than up. I personally feel that is what Tableau is saying. ઓછા આપ્યા છે, પણ ક્યારે વધારે નહીં આપ્યા હોય. This is what I personally feel. Rather than up for taking extra work. I mean, the man's hardly human, right? So, a teacher છે એ માણસમાં આવતા નથી. That is what he is saying. He breaks off quickly. Sorry, sir. Have I gone too far? પછી એને ખબર પડે, હું તો બીજા સરને આવું કહું છું, એ સર માણસમાં આવતા નથી. That is not acceptable, right? હું સર હોય તમે મને કોઈ બીજા સરની બુરાઈ કરો ને એક એક્સ્ટ્રીમ જે લેવલ હોય એનું એ બ્રેક કરીને તમે એ સર વિશે વાત કરો, સો ઓબ્વિયસલી આઈ એમ નોટ ગોઈંગ ટુ એક્સપેક્ટ. તો એ ટેકલોને તરત ખબર પડી ગઈ. એટલે જો એ શું બોલે છે, he breaks off quickly. I'm extremely sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Have I gone too far? Right? I'm extremely sorry for what I have. The words that I have used for Mr. Crocker Harris, that is inhuman. I'm extremely sorry if I have gone Too far. Frank, yes, much too far. Frank says, you are crossing your limits, right? You have gone much too far. Taplo, sorry sir, I got carried away. એટલે સ્ટુડન્ટના મગજની અંદર અથવા એના થોટ્સની અંદર કેટલું ફ્રસ્ટ્રેશન હશે ક્રોકર હેરિસ પ્રતિ કે એ ક્રોકર હેરિસને એવું કહી દીધું that he is not a human, he is inhuman to the other teacher, right? So you can imagine the kind or the the depression level what a student has, right, when he gets a negative teacher for the entire year in the class, right? And he certainly feels that I have gone too far, and he extremely says that I'm extremely sorry sir if I have gone too far. So Frank says, yes, much too far. Sorry sir, I got carried away. Frank, evidently, he picks up the newspapers and opens it. Here, Taplo, yes sir. Frank, what was that Crocker Harris said to you? Just repeat it, would you? Now Frank is reading the newspaper and recalling what the communication was there between Taplo and Crocker Harris. So Frank was asking to Taplo, what was the Crocker Harris said to you? That means what kind of conversation that you and Crocker Harris had? Just repeat it, would you? Taplo, imitating again, my dear Taplo, I have given you exactly what you deserve, no less and certainly no more. એટલે પાછું રિપીટ કરે. ક્રોકર હેરિસે કયા શબ્દ કીધા હતા મને ફરીથી કહેતો? એટલે ટેપ્લો પાછું કહે છે that I have given you exactly what you deserve, no less and certainly no more. Frank, looking severe, not in the least like him, read your nice Aeschylus and be quiet. Tableau with dislike, Aeschylus. What it is, the name or the meaning, I'll definitely tell you tomorrow, right? Frank, look, what time did Mr. Crocker Harris tell you to be here? Now Frank is asking to Tableau, what time actually did Mr. Crocker Harris tell you to be here? Frank, 6:30 sir. 6:30 in the evening on the last day of the school. Crocker Harris has told the student to submit the extra work. તમે સાંજે 6:30 વાગે છૂટી જાવ છો. That is what the normal timing is, right? From morning to afternoon and from 3 to 6, and then you get free. It is the last day of the school, your school gets closed, right? Every teacher has gone, right? You are on the verge of getting a vacation, you are going to get promoted to the next class, and you are being told by the teacher to come and submit the work on 6:30 p.m. on the last day of the school when everyone is gone. How harsh, how difficult it is for a student to to do all this kind of things. And એ જે fear factor હતો ને ટેપ્લોના મગજમાં કે જો આ extra work મેં submit ન કર્યું ને then he is going to fail me, and that was the fear factor. That is why he came to the school at the evening in 6:30 p.m. right? 6:30 sir. Frank, well, he is 10 minutes late. Why don't you cut? You could still play golf before the lockup, right? Judai આવ્યા નથી, you are just 10 minutes late, right? Why don't you cut? That means you can go from here right now. You could still play golf before the lockup. બધું બંધ થાય એ પહેલા તું golf में game કરી શકે છે, right? Tableau. Now what does Tableau say, right? Really shocked. Oh no, I couldn't cut. That means I cannot grow from here. Cut the crop. Mr. Crocker Harris નો રસ્તો હું કાપું? હું કદાચ જાઉં અને Crocker Harris આવી જાય તો એમને તેવું જ થાય કે હું નથી, મારી તો આઈ બને, right? Cut the crop. That is Mr. Crocker Harris ને હું કટ કરી શકું? I do not have that guts. I shouldn't think it is ever been done in the whole time he has been there. God knows what would happen if I did. He would probably follow me home or something. હું કદાચ ન હોય અને એ મને ગોતે સ્કૂલમાં અને હું જો ના મળું, he would follow me to my home. મારા ઘર સુધી પહોંચી જાય, right? Frank, I must admit I envy him. The effects he seems to have on you boys in the form. You all seem scared to death of him, right? I pity, right, that you have such kind of fear factor કે જે તમારા મગજમાં એક બીક ઘૂસી ગઈ છે towards Crocker Harris, right? What does he do? Beat you all or something? Frank question પૂછે, શું આટલું બધું કેમ બીવો? Why are you so scared of Mr. Crocker Harris? Does he beat you all? મારે છે બધાને ક્લાસની અંદર or something like that? Tableau. Good Lord, no, he is not a sadist like one or the two of the others. No, no, no. Good Lord, that means he is not beating us. He is not sadist. Sadist means a person who gets pleasure in someone's sadness. A person who gets pleasure in someone's sadness, right? એવો ટીચર નથી. He is not a sadist. Sadist in the sense કોઈ sad હોય ને તો એમાં કોઈ બીજો વ્યક્તિ ખુશ થાય, આ કેટલો દુખી, વાવ ખુશ થયો. He is not the sadist. He is not that kind of person, right? So એટલે કદાચ એ કોઈને મારે પછી જે ખુશી મળે, ઘણીવાર ટીચર શું મારી દે, and then they feel, right? હું વાતો કરતો તો I give them one in the class, right? He is not a sadist. That is what Taplow says. Like one or the two other teachers. That means even Taplow says that in this school there are one or two teachers who beat the students and they feel from inside, wow, I have given them 1, 2 and 3, right? Now there is complete silence. So they feel happy from inside. That is what Taplow is saying, that he is not like the one or the two other teachers, right? Frank, I beg your pardon. Frank, a sadist, sir, is someone who gets pleasure out of giving pain. Frank, indeed, but I think you went on to say that some other masters, right? તું કંઈક એવું બોલ્યો ને કે બીજા કોઈક ટીચર્સ એવા છે કે જે મારે તેમને અંદરથી બહુ ખુશી થાય કે વાતો કરતા હતા ને I have given them 1, 2 and 3, right? And they feel inside happy. Who are those other teachers? Taplow. Well, of course, they are, sir. છે ઘણા બધા છે. I won't mention the names. નામ કહેવાનું હું સર નહીં કહી શકું, but there are teachers in the school કે જે મારે છે અને અંદરથી એવું pleasure feel કરે છે, right? કે ભાઈ મેં કોકને માર્યું, right? As a teacher, I have given or I have beaten the students. But you know them as well as I do. Sir, તમને ખબર છે કોણ છે ને કોણ નથી. Oh, of course, I know most master thinks we boys don't understand a thing. But sir, you are different. You are young, well, comparatively anyway, then you are a science. That means you are a science teacher. You must know what sadism is, right? Sir, you know what the practical scenario is, you know what the situation is, but you are different. Right? Taplow કે સર તમે બીજા ટીચર્સ જેવા નથી, તમે થોડા અલગ છો. You are young, well, comparatively, that means adjustable, and you are a science, that means at least you are a science teacher. You know what sadism is and you understand the nature and the particular thinking behavior of the students. Frank, after a pause, good Lord, what are our schools coming to? Right now Frank is saying, see, this is what the situation is. જો તું મને આટલું બધું face to face કહે છે બીજા ટીચર્સના વિશે, તો imagine what other students might be talking to the other teachers of the other teachers also. એ મને કીધું કોઈ બીજા સ્ટુડન્ટ મારા વિશે તને કહેશે, કોઈ ત્રીજો સ્ટુડન્ટ કોઈ બીજા ટીચર્સને બીજા વિષય વિશે, and it will go on, right? What are the schools are coming to? That means what is the next level of the students and teachers, right? પહેલાનું જે ટીચિંગ હતું ને અત્યારનું જે ટીચિંગ છે ને, that is completely changed, and I personally do agree, right? Lot of attitude have been seen in the students. What kind of attitude? I still don't understand. Even I am teaching, this is my 8th year as a teacher, right? And there are n number of students that have been gone through under my particular system, right? Under my teaching schemes, and I have seen majority of the students have attitude. What kind of attitude they have, I don't know. They are students, they are not even on their legs, they take the money from their parents and they have the attitude. What attitude do you have? Attitude must be in your marks, attitude must be in your behavior, attitude must be in your character, right? Attitude comes when you start earning by your own. That is what it is. પોતે કાંઈ ના કરતા હોય, બધું પેરેન્ટ્સ સપોર્ટ કરતા હોય ને પછી પોતે એટીટ્યુડમાં આવે છે. They change their whole behavior in the class while they are studying, right? In life we need to be something, and then if we have the attitude, that's a different thing, right? We are lacking time right now, but I'll share you one example. We'll stop over here after this page gets over, and I'll share you one example so you'll understand what attitude is, right? So let's finish this page and I'll share you one good example of Bill Gates, right? Let's move ahead. Taplow, anyway, the Croc isn't sadist. That means Mr. Crocker is not a sadist. That's what I'm saying. He wouldn't be so frightening if he were, because at least it would show he had some feelings, but he hasn't, right? Feelings હોય ને એ માણસમાં દેખાઈ જાય, right? Connection, bonding, strong between a student and a teacher, right? કેટલાક ટીચરમાં connectivity બહુ strong હોય, right? Bonding તરત થઈ જાય સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ પ્રત્યે. કેટલાક ટીચર્સને વાર લાગે. It depends upon nature to nature. Now he says that it would show if he had some feelings, like feelings જેવું Crocker Harris ના હોય તો દેખાય ને સર, બાકી તો એવું કંઈ છે જ નહીં. But he hasn't. That means he does not have any kind of feelings for the students. He is all shriveled up inside like a nut, and he seems to hate people who like him. Right? Shriveled up. Shriveled up means no feelings. Shriveled up means no feelings. He is all shriveled up. That means he has no feelings inside, like a nut. Nut એટલે શું? Nut bolt હોય ને? A mechanical thing, right? Which rotates as per the machine. And if you keep it, it will be there for a long point of time, right? જેમાં કોઈ changes નથી આવતા. એવા વ્યક્તિ. And he seems to hate people to like him, right? And he seems to hate people, right? Without any reason. If you hate someone, you become the hater too. And Mr. Crocker Harris feels that this is my nature and attitude. I want everyone in the class to become like me, right? Like him. It is funny that, right? આ સર તો એક ખોટી જ વસ્તુ છે ને. It sounds funny that I don't know any other master who doesn't like being liked. Right? કયા એવા ટીચર હશે કે જે એવું ઈચ્છતા હશે કે મને કોઈ પસંદ ન કરે? Right? I find Crocker Harris a nature or an attitude like that. So this is where we will stop. Right? The remaining part of the chapter we are going to discuss in the next session. અહીંયા આપણે pause લઈએ છીએ અને આવતીકાલે હજુ એક સેશન છે 5 to 6, right? We'll finish this chapter in the next